Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban pensa jingkin mau jing rakhi ka college ya ka Jubilee rupa ka ban long mentau snam arjar khat khandai. Ki samla pule jong ka Shirpi College ha ka arpenyo trek panai nai tong arjar khat khandai kila ai mon sngo bhai la ka jong snam ha ka jing ai snam e ka bla pelong da ka Shirpi College ringkat ke jing trelang bat ki bor penya jong ka blood bank jong ka Negrims Hospital Shillong. Ha ka ning singi pai ba nong snong jong ka thain laban kila yo ru ya ki jing sumar e na ki doktor ki blawan khnang ban a jing sumar ki pai ba klem kanu ka jing odor. U President jong ka governing body jong ka Shirpi College ba es nong rum ha ka jing ekran ba ka Batisi TV ulai thu ba ka ni ka jing ai snam e bat ka jing ai sumar e shakipat ba ka thain laban kalong kum shibenta ban no senyang sha ka em lang ka salang ka badan kami ka jing sumar ha ka liang ka kot ka khia na ka liang ka principal jong ka college ka kong en nong rum kalai thu pa ki dan hadu sau phongot ki samlo pule jong ne college ki blawan ai snam na ka benta ban yadai ka jing em jong ki pat ba ki badan kam jing rap kerke ha kanu no por bi kan do ki jing e ha ki khap jong ka jing em ki don pan hadu sans pangot ki pat ba ki bla yo jing metoy na ka ni ka jing ai jing sumar e bala pelong ha plau jong ka ni ka college.
Actually, we are celebrating our existence of 25 years, Silver Jubilee, and we have chalked out all the programs, how to benefit the society. For that, one after others program throughout the year we hold. Lately, we have held the all-faith meeting so that we can live peacefully with understanding with others religion. It is not only the Muslim, not only the Christian, not only the Hindus or Sikh or Jain or this thing. Whosoever Indian citizen, we wanted to live with love and affection. Cooperation, coordination should be there and we exist together. That is what we want. For that we have organized this. And our motto, this college motto is a minority institution, but we took all the majority community also. We'll live together, we'll work together and we'll do something for the society. Our this health checkup program, it is called free medical checkup. Every year we are doing for the benefit of the society. Not for any political purpose or this or that. This is just to help the society. And the college also established only for downtrodden and have-nots people.
Pun kena kumbala senspa angut ie ki bala wan shimun bentah kani ka medical camp tu ile ne dia. And then he done around 40 blood donor sounds well. Angut ie la don ki bai blood donation ki dina kena grassroots but na ba ki dan hi we are. Banangka ban ki long collaboration but ki na ki Negrims but ki Negrims lagi doctor but ki nurse na ki still continue to do she probably mister medicine disau bachi bagi I free medicine string I free kan ki sugar lagi dan kamban siu but ni dan luka we department bagi I help but ki dan go department bagi test sugar namka sugar test and then kiok kita wine na po DHS ru na private group dan bagi donate lah ni lah